Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am overexposed. All this is white. Like, my hand is missing. My hand. Oh. Today's video, I haven't did any videos on the RSX. You guys don't even know if I still own it. Yeah, the meme is like I always sell the cars, but I mean, when you're a low budget, low income reserving automotive YouTuber, you gotta, you know what I mean, make bread with a bread. But yes, I still own the RSX. This is my baby. I love it. I mean, I do love my Integra more. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, if Christina had AC, there would be no need for a daily driver. Well, no, I can't say that because this RSX is amazing. I love it. It's my Type S, baby. I've always wanted an RSX since Randy and Mai had an RSX, and like the way, you know, I don't know, they're nice. They're beautiful cars. But we're gonna talk about plans for this thing, man, because, you know, I haven't been making any videos on the RSX at all. Like, nothing at all, and that's for great measure. I've been working on my Integra. I haven't done any type of Integra stuff to my car where it was like exciting stuff in so long, bro. Like, it's been like forever since I've worked on my Integra to have it, you know, where I'm proud to like work on it and everything. But only thing left for the Integra to do is just put a baffle in and, you know, start doing those road course events like once a month. So I have constant Integra content, building the car more and more for more track oriented use, and, you know, still keeping it a street car but just making it more track friendly and stuff. But for the RSX, my goal for this car is to do full bolt-ons, a tune, and have a sick ass daily driver. That's honestly the goal. Full bolt-ons, tune, pump gas, make like 220. Well, depending how much power this K28-2 makes with 188,000 miles. Do full bolt-ons, tune it, change up the wheels. I really want some mag blue C28s, bro. This silver with some mag blue wheels, oof. Oof. Like mag blue T37s. I wouldn't put RPF 1s on here. Well, I already have RPF 1s on here, but I wouldn't do like RPF 1s and like that mag colorway. Oh my god, I'm probably hella exposed right now. But it happens, man. This car is so slow. I need to buy a full exhaust. So a couple parts that I'm gonna buy for this car starting maybe late next. Nah, probably in 2 weeks, like the end of this month, end of March, like going into April. I'm gonna buy a header for this thing, an exhaust. That'd be my full bolt-ons. I already got an RBC manifold. And yeah, just do that. Buy K-Pro, tune it. This all should be happening, of course, like a month and a half, 2 months, because, you know, I can't be balling out on this car when I got like the Integra to get ready for like road course stuff and stuff like that. But I want to keep this car as a daily driver as possible. But full bolt-ons and a tune, that should, you know, it ain't gonna like hurt the engine or anything. I'm not putting boost on it, or, you know what I mean. It should be good. I mean, this motor seems healthy. 188,000 miles. I drove it from Louisiana to here. That was like a 12-hour road trip, and it drove like a champ. Like, no issues, no coolant overheating, no oil burning. This RSX is great, man. Like, if you're thinking about getting an RSX, bro, you should. As a first car, an RSX would be perfect. Like, you know what I mean? It's cool to have, you know, the EGs, the EKs, the Integras as like a first car, but like, yo, if you're like young and you coming up in the car world and you want like a newish car with AC, power steering, reliable engine, not saying that the B series and the D series aren't reliable, but having a K series, a new Honda technology platform to like, you know, be your first thing to learn on, I say do it, man. I say go for it. Go for an RSX. There hasn't been many things that I dislike about this car other than like leather seats. I don't like leather seats. I'd prefer cloth over leather. Leather just seems ugh. I mean this car came out in 2002, and having leather seats, you know what I mean, in 2002, you was the man, bro. Like, I mean, most cars came with leather seats, but black leather seats and a sports car, like, can't go wrong, baby. Can't go wrong. But yeah, man, I do want to apologize for the lack of RSX content. Don't worry. I'm not selling the car. I don't think I will ever sell this car, man. I'll probably like hand it down to my nephew or something. This car means a lot. It's sentimental value with this car, man. It was a gift from Hybrid Racing to me, bro. Like, my first ever like major sponsor, you know, looked out for me. It was like, hey, man, we know you like the contents, you know what I mean? You can't really, you know, like, they know my story, you know, they know like what's up, and it was like, hey, we want to give you this RSX to, you know, make content on, you know what I'm saying, make something new to the channel, bring a new following, and, you know, that car, that means way too much to me to just like sell it for like money. Because money to me isn't everything, bro. Like, yes, you need money to do the things you want to do that requires money, but money isn't everything. Like, I would rather be, you know, I wouldn't say broke, because being broke sucks. Like, not having money, I mean, bro, there were days where like I would just be like, bro, why, like, I don't know, like, it was weird. Like, I went through a lot of rough patches doing this YouTube thing, but I always stayed true to my goals, man. You know, I never opted out for that 9-to-5 life, which is nothing wrong with that, but like, I tried the 9-to-5 life. I worked at Advance, I worked at Harbor Freight, I worked at Sonny's. That's the only 3 jobs I had, and I can't stand that, like, my time is only valued like $8 an hour when I know I'm a $1 billion person. You know what I mean? Like, I know with like the way my mind and creativity and all this stuff works, I'm worth way more than $10 an hour, $11. Like, I just can't get behind that. But you also gotta let that pride go. Let's say I had a kid on the way, or you know, YouTube got rough. What do? You know, you gotta opt out for the 9-to-5, man. You know, or try to find some type of business or something that will use your skills for like employment. You know what I mean? But I've done so much good business in my life that, you know, there will always be a job for me, no matter what. You know, like with a lot of companies, I brought them some money. You know what I mean? Like, I've always done great things with businesses. Like, I never burned a bridge with a business. So there's always gonna be a way for me to make some extra money, man. If things go rough with YouTube, you know, I'm pretty sure I'll be, you know, taken care of in that sense of like, you know, maintaining a roof over my head and maintaining car insurance and all that stuff. But I say all that to say, I will not get rid of this car. I still drive this car every day, even though most of you guys who follow me on Instagram probably always see me in the Integra. I'm always driving this car, man. Like, having AC, power steering, a K20, you know what I mean? You can't go wrong, bro. Like, you just really can't go wrong. So I just passed a dude, and I swear that was Neo from Neo Garage. I swear that had to be Neo from Neo Garage. Well, yeah, to clear up all the assumptions that people have assumed, no, I did not sell the RSX. But my title for this video is like, I already sold the RSX. No, just clickbait. Not really clickbait, because you guys are assuming. So it's what happens when you assume. I make titles like this so people can leave dislikes and be like, oh my god, you're just fishing for views. Bro, one day there's gonna come a time where I start fishing for views, and I feel like you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna have the most craziest titles, like, bro, like, the title's gonna be out of this world and it's gonna have nothing to do with the video. But I'm pretty sure that that's like breaking a YouTube policy now, where like, you can't clickbait videos or something like that. I don't know. I feel hella exposed, bro. I probably look good though. I probably look like Chris Breezy. Chris Breezy. Alright. Much better? Probably not. But right now I'm actually headed across town, well, across cities, to help out I guess his car, I don't know, something happened to his car. Well, it's not, I don't know, something happened. So I'm finna go help him out. But yeah, for the portion of this video, that's just to clear that up, what's going on with the RSX. I'll give you guys a walk around of the RSX in case you guys want to see it, if you're new to the channel and everything. But yeah, dog, not selling the car. Bro, I don't know how the hell the jumper cable there, slide that bitch to another jumper cable. I guess it should work.
Before you guys start roasting, we tried to put it in neutral. It wouldn't go in neutral.
Yeah, so. That's weird. Well, you tried to start it and it just wouldn't do anything?
Yeah, I just got here, and then I was like, man, what the fuck? So I took my terminal, started banging on it, and I took out the terminals and plugged it back in just to see.
It probably drained the battery. Something's probably draining the battery. Probably the terminals. They're probably clapped. Yeah, they're probably clapped. I mean, these are the same terminals on the other battery, but they don't look bad though. Also, the battery just dead. Thank God. Well, mission passed, boy. Boy left his headlights on. Yeah!
Weak, arms are heavy.
That's what's funny to you, Fred?
Yo, Facebook be killing me, bro.
Facebook hilarious, bro. So, stopped by Fred's house after helping Mai to hang out, see what's going on, what's crack-a-lacking over at the Frederick's residence. Man, well, I haven't said no fish stuff on the vlogs. I ain't gonna start either. Nope. My fish days are behind me.
Hey, bro.
What?
We need this nigga, dog.
Yeah, where he at? No, that's
Every
crazy.
league.
A lot of people I know went to school with that dude.
Hey,
That's
bro,
crazy.
league, bro, to come back, bro.
Progress update on the build, Fred. What's the progress? Quick progress, bro. What's going on?
Wire work, engine harness,
You don't have that yet.
wire wear, cluster,
You don't have that at either, bro.
and that's it.
I said progress. That ain't progress, bro.
Oh, fuck.
What's left is those two things. What you got done so
Well,
far?
We did the intake, throttle body, cable,
Yes.
flipped it,
Yep.
made it go down below at Rudy Rich.
Roddy Rich, bro?
Yeah.
Rudy Rich?
Yeah, you feel me?
Yeah, I feel you, bro.
Don't loop the thing when they did the clutch line.
Okay.
You know, everybody run it that way. I ran
Okay.
it that way.
Okay.
You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Else from that, you know?
Oh my
I love 180 horsepower.
That's it, bro.
Fine with that.
This D16 gonna wake up, bro.
You feel me?
Yeah.
All show, no go.
That's what I'm talking about,
Thank
fam.
you, sweetheart. I love it.
Come on, Audie.
She brought me flowers.
She brought you flowers?
Hey, bro. It's your daughter. You gotta do those things for your daughter. Alright?
I haven't seen my daughter in a couple of months.
Nigga, you ain't got no goddamn kids.
I do, bro. I got a kid.
Me too.
Me and my ex had a kid, bro. She don't allow me to see him.
Which one wanna call you nigga?
Yeah. It's coming soon, Fred. Don't
What?
trip.
Yo, mind your dog get forward in there, the car forward party.
Bang it.
Boom! Blood clot car, boom out dog. Money gone.
I ain't gon' say a thing to me. I wanna see what's in your eyes. See, they never lie.
So that is going to wrap it up for this video. Nothing too enticing. Really, I made this video because I have nothing else to film, and I have been getting a lot of comments like, "Yo, bro, where's the RSX?" So I guess more or less this is an update on the RSX. So that's that. But I forgot to tell you guys earlier, I do got a brake upgrade coming for the RSX, and also I'm not sure if it's live right now, but I did get you guys a discount code for Hawk Performance brake pads and rotors, anything Hawk related, fluid, website down below, the Hawk Performance. Use discount code Zosh15. No, yeah, is it Zosh? Yeah, it's Zosh15 for 15% off, bro. I got you guys a 15% off discount code with Hawk Performance. I do this for y'all. When everything is all said and done and I'm no longer doing this stuff, I want you guys to realize how much I actually really do for y'all low-key. Like, I didn't have to do it, but my spirit's, I just, if I could help you guys in any way, shape, or form, I'm gonna do it, bro, by any means. I want to do giveaways. I want to do, there's so much I want to do. I just gotta have the funds and, you know, do everything. But other than that, dog, bro, my hair is growing back, bro. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like and comment and subscribe if you're new. Dude, I've had these shoes for like 2 years, and they are my favorite shoes. Just thought y'all should know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.